everyone. Hi guys. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning everyone. Am I audible? Am I visible to everyone? Just please comment once. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible? Am I visible to each and every one of you? Hi guys. Hello. Hello everyone. Is there any issue going on? Hi Nag. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Everything is clear, working fine. Okay, so today we are starting this new foundation batch for all of you, right? So I am Afreen Asmat. My name is Afreen Asmat, and I am your IEIFS and PPP educator in English medium. So today is the introduction class for Indian economy and Indian financial system. In this class, I'm not going to start any unit. I'm not going to give you explanation of any chapter, nothing. This is just an introduction session for all of you where I am going to tell you all the basics about IEIFS, about the examination pattern, about the units, syllabus, what is important, what is not important, how you have to study Indian economy, Indian financial system, and how I am going to give you or how I am going to explain you the complete units in this batch, in this new batch, right? So let's start discussing. Let's start discussing. First of all, when we are talking about this, okay, first is the basic pattern of your examination, right? If we talk about Indian economy and Indian financial system, we have 100 MCQs approximately. Why I'm saying approximately? Because here plus and minus can be done. Sometimes it can be more than 100, sometimes it can be less than 100, but the maximum marks is 100. Okay, so maximum marks is 100, that is fixed. But the number of MCQs, if we talk about the number of multiple choice question, it can be 102 sometime, it can be 95 sometime, no matter, right? Next, duration is 2 hours. Okay, passing marks, the very common criteria is you have to just score 50 out of 100. And till now, we have no negative marking in the examination. So this is a plus point for all of us. No negative marking in the examination, right? Now, next thing. See, when we are talking about the subject Indian economy and Indian financial system, it is the subject where bankers usually encounter some problems. Why? Let me tell you why. Because see, in this particular subject, you are not familiar from this subject from a very long time. Let's concern about the banking or business management. You are giving this particular things, the practical scenario in your daily life. You are practicing banking in your banks, right? So you don't have much difficulty in understanding this PPP's concept or RBWF concepts, right? But yes, you will encounter to just when the graphs are given, when law of demand is asked, law of diminishing marginal utility asked, when macro and micros differentiations are asked, then obviously you will encounter some problem because from a very long time you are actually engaged in the practical banking. You have not touched your subject, right? And especially those bankers who are from non-economics background, non-commerce background, they usually encounter a lot of problem here. So what is the solution for that now? How you are going to discuss this complete syllabus, right? So the very first advice which I want to give you all bankers is don't miss out these sessions, right? Very important. Consistency is the key for clearing your examination. The examination is not tough. The examination is not lengthy. Nothing. All is about that Macmillan book, and everything comes around that Macmillan book, right? Not tough examination. All is this examination needs your consistency, okay, and your will to clear this examination. So the very first thing, the very first suggestion which I want to recommend you all, that don't miss out the classes, either live or recorded one. Okay, as per your convenience, but don't miss out a single chapter or a single class here. right? For example, if you are looking out at the chapter and you are saying that, okay, this is a very easy chapter, I can read it out. Don't, even though, don't miss out the class, right? Just try to attend more and more live classes, because live classes have this plus point that you can just clear your doubt in the real time. You have your doubt, you have just given your doubts in the comment section, I have read and I have answered your doubt. This is the plus point of the live classes. But even sometimes there are difficulties in attending the live classes sometimes. So if you have missed out, even you have missed out the live classes, you have to see the recorded classes, okay? Either live, recorded, don't miss the class. And that's why I said that live classes are gold. Means the priority should be given to the live classes, and especially in Oliveboard we always provide you the live classes in your convenient time, like early morning or late evening, where you can all attend the classes easily, right? Now, second thing is, if you have missed any of your live classes, then you can just catch up that with the recorded video. Okay, you can just pause, you can just rewind, you can just note down your key points. Okay, what matters is your consistency. Live or recorded, as per your convenience. Here I'm giving you the flexibility. Please just go as per your convenience. Recommendation is the live classes. If you are missing out that, go for the recorded classes. But don't miss out any session in any cost, right? But after the live classes, you have to read the PDF notes. That is the compulsion. Whenever I'm just discussing any topic, usually the bankers understand each and everything in the class. But after some time, they forget. Why? Because they haven't give that revision. They haven't read that PDF. Whenever I'm giving you any PDF, see, PDFs always highlights, I always highlight the important portion, right? Very important portion by green highlighter, less important by yellow. Okay, the normal lines are written, so you will get a very clear PDF in the class, right? So live class, recorded class you have attended, but after that, what you have to do, you have to just read out the PDF. And that's why I have written, learning during class is only 60% of your preparation. After that learning, you have to give a revision from your PDF, and then you will get the 100% understanding of that unit, right? So the key is how you have to follow this complete foundation batch. Attend the classes. After the classes, you have to read the PDF, and finally you have to give the revision of the complete units which I have given you in that 1 week on Sunday or Monday, right? As per your convenience. So attend the class, read the PDF, and give your revision. That is it. That is the key for clearing this examination. I am assuring you that you will clear your examination in the end, right? Now, this is what I have to recommend you. Now let's talk about the syllabus of complete IEFS. So the complete Indian economy and Indian financial system subject is divided into 4 modules: A, B, C, and D, right? Now module A is Indian economic architecture, which is actually, from my point of view, is the easiest module of the complete syllabus. Yes, easiest module in the complete syllabus. Yes, you will find there are 11 chapters in the first module, and it is the easiest module. It is very scoring, right? And you will just find them very easy. Like, for example, in the first chapter, Agnes medicine database is very important. Second is sectors of Indian economy: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, quaternary, sunrise sector. Very important, very easy. Economic planning, we will talk about 5-year plans. Role of priority sector. What are the identified priority sector? Infrastructure, globalization, economic reform. We have learned about LPG. We will learn about liberalization, privatization, and globalization in this topic. Then climate change, then issues facing Indian economy. So these are the complete module A, Indian economic architecture, right? We have 11 chapters. easiest module of the complete syllabus. You will find nothing, just this and this module is finished, right? So it is very scoring although, because you will get a lot of questions from module A, right? Now module B. Module B, from my point of view, is actually the toughest module. It is very conceptual, very conceptual. All you have to do is to focus, and focus on the concepts, right? In this, you will find the most difficult chapter of the complete syllabus, that is the theories of interest. Now, in this, you will learn all about the graph, demand, supply, diminishing marginal utility, theories of interest. A lot you will learn in this module B. Toughest part, right? Because monetary policies, you have to learn about base rate, you have to learn about the repo rate, how it is affecting the money supply. All indirect questions, all complicated questions were asked from this module. So it is the toughest module from my point of view. Need a lot of concentration, right? It is short, but I actually took a lot of time in completing this module B because it is very conceptual, okay, and tough also. Now module C, again a very easy module. It is all about facts. No concepts are there in this module. The complete facts, okay, as well as these are very scoring. Why? Because all you have to learn, memorize bank name, memorize the year, their headquarter, what were the different banks nationalized in 80 and 1980 or 1969, SBI, RBI, the Bankings Act, everything. So in this very important chapter is this unit 22. A lot of questions are asked in the previous exam cycle from this unit 22. Very scoring, very easy, right? And very factual, right? You don't have to see a lot of concepts in module C, right? And the fourth module, when we are talking about the fourth module, now fourth module is the lengthiest module. If we talk about fourth module, it is actually the lengthiest module and the highest mark, means the maximum questions are asked from module D. Now module D is a mixture of easy chapters as well as tough chapters. Like for example, financial market is an easy chapter. Money market is an easy chapter. Stock market, it is a tough chapter. Bond market, it is a tough chapter. Foreign exchange market, tough chapter. Interconnectedness, tough chapter. Merchant banking service, easy chapter. Derivative, tough chapter. Then, if we talked about factoring, forfeiting, threats, tough chapter. Venture capital, easy chapter. Lease financing, easy chapter. Credit rating scoring, easy. Mutual fund, tough chapter. Insurance product, easy. Pension, tough. Para banking, tough chapter. REITs, invest, tough chapter. So when we are talking about module D is a mixture of tough plus easy chapters, right? This chapter or this module needs a lot of time. Okay, a lot of time. You need a lot of time to concentrate in module D. Maximum questions are asked from module D, right? So module A, easy, scoring. Module B, toughest, conceptual. Module C, easy, scoring, fact-based. Module D, combination of easy plus, right? So this is your syllabus. Now the last thing is, now what is the score or weightage for each module? When we are talking about module D, I have told you maximum question you will get from module D. 40% maximum questions you will get from module D. Now, after module D, module C and B, they are at the same point. 25%, they are at the same point. And then rest is module A, right? So, what you have to do, you have to focus more on module D, and then all the three C, B, and A, you have to focus equally. Sometimes you will get more from A and less from B. Sometimes you will get more from B, less than A, right? So this can fluctuate, but this cannot fluctuate. Maximum questions are asked from module D, right? So this is your complete introduction. What I have given you is the clear idea of your exam syllabus, the pattern of your examination, and how you should study in this foundation. That now my timings for IEIFS, you will get daily classes. You will get the daily classes of IEIFS at 7 p.m. in the evening, right? Except on Mondays, okay? From Tuesday to Saturday, your timing for IEIFS is 7 p.m. And on every Sunday, your timing for IEIFS is 9 a.m. in the morning. Clear? So this is your new foundation batch for your examination. I hope that you have understood. If you have any doubt relating to the subject, if you have any doubt relating to the matter of this foundation batch, you can easily ask. We have a time, we have a lot of time. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask your doubt. Everyone. Everyone. No doubt. So thank you so much. I hope that I will see you in the sessions. Okay. It is a starting. Your IEFS will start from 16th June, Monday, right? So I will see you all in the classes. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much for joining the session. Thank you. Bye. Take care.